Do you often wonder what people mean by cooling off hot fertilizers and how to do it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy from City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is our way of life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how we cool off our hot fertilizers. We use it to cool off our chicken and duck manure. You can do it with steer, horse, and several other types of manures that are considered hot. They need to be composted before you can put them on the garden because they would burn your plants. We also use rabbit manure, which is a colder fertilizer and can be put directly on your plants. So stay tuned with me and I'm going to show you how we do it. One of the ways that we cool off our hot fertilizers, such as chicken and duck manure, is to put them in a pile and allow them with the bedding material to cook for a few months. Some people say a season, I've seen people say a year. Do what works for you. Turn that fertilizer over and then you can use it in your garden. We started off that way and then we finished composting it by digging a trench and filling the trench in with the fertilizer, letting the rain come in on it for a while, and season it again for another season. We'll do this maybe in the fall or winter, so that when we get ready to plant in probably May, April or May, depends on how the weather goes, it will be already cooled off. We're still winter. You could do this in fall or really early spring, just depends on the frost level of your ground. People have asked me recently about composting hot fertilizers.
One time I had a little trouble and it seemed like it was on the end. I don't know if it was just stuff that didn't get mixed in really well. It was still a little warm. So over time.
Yeah.
If you do it early like this,
right,
trenching this seems to do really well.
Yeah.
Put it in, let it expose for a while.
The compost down.
It kind of turns it into almost like a liquid.
Yeah.
And in a couple weeks, it'll come into recovery.
But we want to mix in all of the fertilizer, so.
One thing is, this is just one of the steps. That was another thing that was really hard to find, was the
bedding material
used to keep the chicken coops from getting really muddy.
Yeah.
You couldn't find it in a lot of the stores. But then they started telling us that the pellets
for the pellet stoves
would do it the exact same thing. And we've been trying that, and they're within a few cents of each other.
Yeah. They work fairly well.
It's like a dog food.
Yeah.
As long as it's not cedar, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
That's a good way to get rid of a couple 100 pounds of manure.
And fertilize your garden. And amend your soil. Yep. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a current video. Also, like our videos, and share them on your social media. It really helps our family. And as always, happy homesteading adventures.